Arrêtez de me rouler la vie de ma mère et de faire les voitures moto parce que tous besoin de...
In this video, you'll see a common situation that anyone could encounter while driving on winding roads. Luckily, this guy wasn't injured. The grass made the crash soft.
Nils!
Ah, ich hab noch Geld, alles gut.
Nils, das ist der ganze Länge.
Ja, ja. Alles gut.
This motorcyclist in front had a small accident involving a pickup pulling out across a solid line on the mountain pass. Luckily, he came away relatively unhurt. The bike was later repaired and is back on the road. The motorcyclist had just started a road trip with his friend when he reached a curve. He lost control of his bike and couldn't brake in time, causing him to crash into a field. Fortunately, he was okay and continued his trip right afterward. In this video, you'll see a kind act from this motorcyclist. He helped a stranger in a wheelchair. This kind of action should be spread and encouraged so that more people will be kind.
Hey, you need some help? Sir? You need some help?
Good.
The biker took the turn a little too fast, locked the brakes, and the gravel didn't help either. There was no major damage, and he was able to ride the bike back home.
Yeah, I'm okay.
Can I help you with that?
Yeah.
We're okay. Take 1, 2. That's okay. No, 1 second, 1 second.
Press the brake. Just hold the brake for me.
Got your phone here.
This is a situation that could happen to anyone driving on slippery, sandy and winding roads. Fortunately, the motorcyclist was wearing full protective gear, so he was unharmed. Be careful and slow down on roads like these.
Hold on.
There's shit too back there.
You
alright?
Yeah, my leg got stuck and it pulled my boot out.
Well, you're fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Ready? Push it.
This motorcyclist and his father were touring on the tail of the dragon. It seems his father was too old to ride a large motorcycle. He controlled the bike when they reached a curve in the road and he fell.
Whoa! Whoa. You okay?
Yeah.
Hold on. I'm gonna stay there. I'm gonna move up the hill a little bit.
He's okay, just an abrasion on his knee and elbow, but they continued their trip after resting for a few minutes. In this video, you'll see the car ahead wanting to turn right, but being blocked by a group of motorcyclists, making the driver angry. He stopped his car, got out, and started arguing and taking out his frustration on this motorcyclist. Let's see what happens.
Oh, ça va, qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Dis à tes collègues qu'ils arrêtent de faire les votes, je vais tout enculer un pareil, qu'est-ce qu'il y a? D'accord. Arrête de me coller, je vais t'éclater. Wow. Casse-toi. Oh, c'est bon, t'arrêtes, c'est bon. Faites attention. C'est bon. Je vais vous enculer.
Today seems like a beautiful day for a road trip. This guy is riding his motorcycle and enjoying his journey, but after overtaking the car in front, he lost control and crashed into the grass. Fortunately, he was fine after the fall. The lesson here is to slow down and wear proper protective gear.
Ja, mas hoppas man kan.
The car in front braked suddenly, causing the motorcyclist to react too late and the motorcycle to slightly collide with the car's rear. Luckily, everything was fine. The driver was found completely at fault and cited for lack of insurance and lack of a valid license. The motorcyclist made out with a banged-up knee and some road rash. This biker gets into a hectic crash. He was wearing full protective gear, so the fall didn't cause any harm to him. Everyone around rushed to help him with great care. Next time, should ride more slowly, my guy.
You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
Let's watch the collision situation that the motorcyclist accidentally recorded while riding on a street.
Meu caralho!
This biker crashed and landed on the roof of this car. Luckily, he was just a bit panicked and no injuries.
Que deu, mano? Galera.
That was close. This pedestrian was really daring to cross the road like that. Always remember to keep an eye on your surroundings. The bikers waits neatly at the stop sign. One of them were slightly hit by the truck. He angry and kicked the truck as it drove away. Let's watch this video and guess who is at fault. Please leave your comment below the description.
Fucking slid. That's right.
The driver of this car changed lanes without looking in the mirror, almost resulting in a collision with a biker. He got angry and kicked the car. Although the driver was at fault, he should not have acted that way. That could get him into trouble.
Idiot. Are you done?
On the ride to work, the biker captured an accident involving another motorcyclist and a small pickup truck. Fortunately, everyone was okay except for the bike, which was heavily damaged. Always remember to ride slowly and be aware of your surroundings.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
This guy was riding on his own business when another motorcyclist overtook him, causing him to lose control and fall to the side of the road. Luckily, he has a lot of experience driving on terrain like this, so he reacted quickly and was unharmed after the fall. This is why, when you're traveling on rough, bumpy roads, you should go slowly to observe and control your vehicle. Luckily, both motorcyclists were unharmed after the fall, and they continued their journey. A collision almost happened, but luckily the motorcyclist and the truck driver braked in time. What was she waiting for? Remember, pay attention to the signs and follow the rules when participating in traffic. The motorcyclist wanted to change lanes and noticed a car behind speeding to overtake, so he slowed down to observe. Unfortunately, another car behind him crashed into him. But he was unharmed after the crash. It seems that this rider lacks the experience to handle such situations. He fell while navigating a corner, slipping in the process. Fortunately, he was wearing full protective gear and was unharmed.
Yeah, I'm fine. Just want to make sure my bike's alright. Oh, I'm fine. I'm perfectly fine. Yeah, I'm fine.
This is why we shouldn't imitate this guy's actions. It can cause accidents for both yourself and others. The two motorcyclists' bikes got tangled, causing both bikes to fall over. Fortunately, both riders reacted quickly and jumped off their bikes, so no one was injured. Always maintain a safe distance from other vehicles and be patient. Drive slowly.